Great to see you again. In this video, we're going to import content from our WordPress site to our HTML template. To illustrate the process, we're going to import content to the header, starting with the site name. To do that, select the brand element in the template, and from the Actions contextual menu, select Import WordPress HTML. The content from the WordPress site is immediately imported to our HTML template. Now, select the site description, and from the Actions contextual menu, select Import WordPress HTML. The content is imported to our HTML template.